If you've been eagerly waiting for a Nokia smartphone that's not only affordable, but also packed with jaw-dropping features, then your wait is finally over. Today, we're bringing you a smartphone that's going to blow your mind. Imagine a device with a 200-megapixel DSLR quality camera, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and so much more. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 2025. If you're excited to know all about this beast of a phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because we're diving deep into its features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Nokia Zeno Xtreme 2025, features that will amaze you. Display. Let's talk about the display first. This smartphone comes with a stunning 6.90-inch, Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 2K resolution. But that's not all. It also boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, for buttery smooth scrolling and gaming, Gorilla Glass 8 protection for durability, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating, for water and dust resistance. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, this display is going to blow you away. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia Zeno Xtreme 2025 truly shines. It features a quad camera setup, with a primary 200-megapixel sensor, that captures every detail like a professional DSLR. Alongside that, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 24-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel macro lens, for those close-up shots. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your Instagram game strong. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-notch performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 15, so you're getting the smoothest and most secure software experience out there. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Zeno Xtreme 2025 packs a massive 7000 mAh battery that will keep you going all day long. And when it's time to recharge, the 90-watt fast charger will juice up your phone in no time. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging port for added convenience. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the price. This feature-packed smartphone is expected to be priced around $600, making it an absolute steal for what it offers. As for the launch date, Nokia is expected to unveil this beast by the end of this year.